Let me assure you, Zamboanga is safe. Again, let me assure you, Zamboanga is safe. And we will keep it safe. We are here to ensure that everything is done fairly.
Ito ang tiniyak ni Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla matapos ang nangyaring pamamaril ng isang grade 8 student ng Ateneo de Zamboanga University kung saan dalawa ang namatay. Ginawa ni Remulla ang pahayag kasunod ng pagbisita niya kasama si PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. sa Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Hindi away sa relihiyon ang punot dulo ng krimen. Katunayan, ayon kay Secretary Remulla, magkakilala ang pamilya ng shooter at ng biktima. Sinabi rin ng kalihim na mag-isang kumilos ang shooter at walang tumulong dito.
The police report will come out in due time, but the facts remain that as far as we can determine, Mr. Jalani acted alone. Alone in the sense that he planned, executed, and willfully did everything on his own. There was no conspiracy behind it. There was no active group that planned it with him. There was no family influence that made him do.
Umaasa ang PNP sa mga digital evidence para matukoy ang dahilan ng pamamaril ng estudyante, lalo pat sabi ng DILG, technology clash ang nakikita nilang dahilan sa krimen.
We're here to assure that it's not a cultural clash of Muslims and Filipinos. Again, the families knew each other well. So it's not a clash between faiths, but it is a clash between technology and accountability.
Kasabay sa sinagawang pagbisita ni Nartates at Remulla sa Zamboanga City kanina, kanila ding sinilip ang takbo ng investigasyon ng binuong Special Investigation Task Group o SITG. At bagamat may mga motibo ng sinusundan ang mga otoridad, kanila pa rin daw sinisilip lahat ng posibleng anggulo na pinagmulan ng trahedya. Mula dito sa Campo Crame, Ryan Lisiges para sa Bayan.